Ladies and gentlemen, the last time you met Finn, he read Simon's mind. Tonight, we're going to attempt something even more impossible. Finn is going to try and put his thoughts into the judges' own minds, using the power of thought transference. I'll start with you, David. Look at Finn. What time do you think he ate his breakfast this morning?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Alicia, I've got a lucky jumper and Finn hates it. What's the word written on that jumper? Have a look at Finn.
Luck.
Luck. Amanda, across Finn's amazing career, he caught hundreds of criminals, but what's the actual number? Have a look at Finn.
52.
52. Simon, can you think of a dog's name for us, please?
Yes.
Can you say it out loud for us?
Oh, sorry. Squidly.
Squidly. Can you think of a shorter one for us?
Squid.
Squid. Great. Up until now, all of the thoughts have been in your own minds. And now I want you to create a series of random letters that nobody, including Finn, could possibly know. David, using your thumb and finger, I want you to pick the first one. Alicia, again using your thumb and finger, please pick the second.
Sorry.
From the top.
My nails are too long.
And Amanda. And Simon, as you're the boss, the last three. Okay, so we're going to make this completely random. I'm going to look the other way, and we're going to flip these until completely random. Simon, if you could hold that for me, and we'll come back to that shortly. David, you have a time in your mind. Alicia, you have a word. Amanda, you have a number. And Simon, you have a name. I want you to have a look at a very special video that we made earlier today. Take a look at this. Big day today, Finn. BGT semi-final. Okay, I'll make you breakfast. I'm thinking of wearing my lucky jumper, Finn. What do you think? No? I'll go and get my police uniform on then. Here you get, Finn. Good lad. Good boy. I know, that's a lot of bad guys. Huge congratulations. Thank you. So you see, Finn really can put thoughts into your minds. But for Finn's final piece of magic, we need a little help. From Surrey, Sussex, Kent and Essex, can you please welcome our police puppies? Simon. Hello. Simon, last time you chose the word heroic to describe Finn.
Yes, I did.
Tonight, we all chose some random letters Could you hold that up now so everyone can see?
This which way?
So everyone can see. Trufu. Okay? Okay. T, R, U, E, F, and U. But wait! But wait, this has always been about something far more important. Okay, boys and girls, let's show them some real magic. Because these guys really are the future of policing. They are our future heroes. I think, Dave, this is my hero thing. Thank you, and good night.